The architecture of corruption, Tumour Microenvironment. In a healthy body, cells communicate through signals that maintain balance, growth, repair, and rest. Cells form an interconnected web resembling a city map. Glowing lines symbolize communication signals. But within the Tumour microenvironment, those signals are hijacked. Growth factors like VEGF summon new blood vessels to feed the tumor highways, bringing oxygen and nutrients to this expanding criminal city. These highways bring oxygen and nutrients to this expanding criminal city. Fibroblasts, normally builders of structure, are turned into accomplices called cancer-associated fibroblasts, reshaping tissue to support invasion. These cancer-associated fibroblasts reshape the tissue to support invasion. The network of corruption solidifies. Growth factors dictate the aggressive expansion. CAFs act as the structural engineers for invasion. Balance is replaced by a parasitic network. This architecture ensures the tumor survival and spread.